Morning. How do you guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we started harvesting the potatoes yesterday, just trying everything out and getting all set up. So we're gradually just filling this shed up first, then we shall move into the other shed. But so far, so good. Really nice sample this year. They've caught more of an average size, really good size actually. Last year we had all sort of massive big potatoes, and I know it seems silly, but some people don't like huge potatoes. They don't go through the chipper and the rumbler well when they get to the chip shops. But these are more sort of average, all round, good size. So Dad's happy with them, I'm happy with them. Let's get them in the shed. But I'm just going to show you the grading line and how it all works, and then Mum and Dad should come back with a load and we'll tip and we'll go from there. We try and do everything ourselves. It's Dad on the harvester, Mum on tractor and trailer, and I'm in the store, and then we'll pick 2 load, come back with 2 load and empty, and then they'll go back. So try and do everything ourselves, save a bit of money and less hassle. So we've got a Downs 4-man picking off grader. So we'll just back up here, empty the trailer up. That's a soil elevator. So it's taking any soil out. Got these coils in here that any soil or small potatoes and these tops just fall out onto this conveyor, goes up here and into the soil trailer. Here's where you stand, picking off table. Potatoes come up there. We've got speed control on here, stop start, and you start with the speed on this dial here, and then yeah, hey presto, you wallop, you pick off, goes down there and then goes up in the soil trailer. Then we've got these 2 conveyors and then the elevator. We're only using this conveyor or this sort of setup in this shed because we've got 2 Downs cross conveyors in the other shed, which you'll see in another video. But the idea of putting potatoes in the shed, don't want any bruising, you don't want any big falls, so this just gradually, they just slide off here and go like that, and you don't want it too far forward and they just drop. Too many big drops can bruise and damage the potatoes, and then that's when you get like a brown bit on your chip, and that's where it's been bruised. So the idea of putting potatoes in store is to be as careful as possible. Yeah, I forgot to mention, we've got the 6640 on the generator, so that's generating the power to run everything. Got to mention that. What a morning. Now then, we're at the top of the heap. You've just seen a few potatoes go up the grader along the conveyors and up the elevator. We're at the top of the heap, and the idea is to try and keep the heap as sort of level but with a slight arc on them as possible. Then we're running these metal ducts, one there and one over there. You can see them, I've just stacked a few up there to let the air get all the way to the back of the heap. But like I say, this isn't the proper potato storage shed, so you'll soon realise when I get in the other shed how we do it. Do it a bit different in the other shed, but I haven't got, or we haven't got, one of them fancy elevators where I can extend it and fill the back up and retract the bit on the end and stuff like that. So I have to go up here and manually, you know, level them out with my hands, do a bit of manual labour. Us millennials don't really like that, but I don't mind it. It's job satisfaction keeping this potato heap nice and level. So just decided to lower this conveyor a bit more, just slacken these off here and let it down a bit more, because too much of a drop going on onto the elevator. But let's go and have a minute and see what the harvester driver's up to. See how they're getting on. Which one shall I choose? It's got to be the twigs. Now then, shed is slowly filling up. We're about just a bit under halfway full, but just wanted to say massive thank you to all you guys who's watching and subscribing, because I think the other day we hit 800 subscribers. I know some people probably think, that's not a lot, but to me that's a lot, and really appreciate it. Number one rule about farming in the fence: you've got to swallow and breathe in about 20 or 30 acres of dust, soil, muck, and God knows what else before you can call yourself a fen farmer. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. We'll be in the other shed. Fingers crossed. Thank you for watching. See you later. Ta. Good old girl. Till next time.